Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a chicken tomato stew. Ingredients for the tomato stew include green pepper, red onions, vegetable oil, nutmeg, curry powder, salt to taste, 1 maggi cube, quarter size sachet tomato paste, not forgetting our chicken, and then my ginger, garlic and onion paste, which I already have a recipe to on the channel that you can check out to make for your seasonings of your chicken or meat or whatever it is. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. To begin with, we'll cook the chicken with my ginger, garlic and onion pastes and then fry it until it's golden brown. After frying the chicken and removing it from the oil, you then add in the green pepper and red onion, which have already been blended into a paste. To see how that is done, you can check out my authentic Ghanaian green sauce recipe, which is already on the channel. After adding in the green pepper and red onion paste, add in some water and then let it boil for about 5 minutes or until less water is in the sauce. When it gets to this stage, you can add in the sachet tomato paste. And then mix it together with the green pepper sauce. Add in the chicken stock and mix that together as well until a uniform mixture is obtained. Now let it boil for about 15 minutes or until the sauce is less watery. When it boils for about 10 minutes, give it a thorough stir to prevent it from getting burnt underneath. At this stage, I'll add in a piece of bay leaf. Which is something you can opt to do or leave out. This is just personal preference. And then I'll let that boil with the stew for about 5 to 10 minutes. When the stew is almost done, add in the nutmeg, curry powder, the cube and the salt to taste. Ensure that everything is added in proportion because some of the seasoning powders already have salt in it, so you have to check that before you add in the salt to prevent the sauce from getting salty. When the stew is almost done, I then add in the chicken we fried earlier and then some sliced red onions. Give it a thorough stir and allow it to cook in the stew for about 5 minutes. And guys, here you have it. Our chicken tomato stew is ready. You can enjoy this with some plain rice, some boiled yam or spaghetti. It's all up to you. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.